Okay, consider the following directed line segment, segment AB. Which answer choice correctly shows point D located 1/3 of the way from A to B? Okay, so when I see this 1/3, I'm asking myself, is this representing the part to whole or part to part? If it was representing a part to part, they would not write it as a fraction. They will write part to wholes as fractions. So that is a good indicator right there, since it's a fraction, that this is part to whole. So they only want it from point A to point B. So now I can just jump to right here. It's 1/3. So I'm going to find the vertical distance, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it was 6 units long. So I'm going to take 1/3 of that and multiply it by 6, our total distance. And when you multiply that out, that comes out to be 2. So now our horizontal distance from A to B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, it's 6 units long. So now we want a point that is only 1/3 of that distance away. So 1/3 times 6, and that's going to equal 2. So now we're going to be looking for an image that is 2 units away from A, because that's our starting point, and 2 units down from A at this intersection. Where do they intersect? Well, right there and right here. So this vertical line and this horizontal distance intersect right here at this point. -1, 5. So that I'm looking for an image like that. So I'm looking for the intersection of -1, 5. Now this looks similar to what I drew. What's different is they just drew the vertical distance right at the end of our horizontal distance, which is a good strategy, especially if drawing the intersection like down here, vertical 2 units. I want to find that intersection on our directed line segment. So that's why I draw this line over to our directed line segment until it intersects with where our horizontal is. So maybe I'll start drawing it that way. Anyway, so this is our option.